So guess what? We are on our way to Medoc Mountain State Park. Is it a state park?
It is.
Oh, yes. And in Hollister, North Carolina?
Yes. I think it's, Hollister.
Like on the way to like Gaston. So if you're from North Carolina, you might be familiar with it. But camping season has begun for us. And so we're really excited to get back out again.
Camping season never really ended.
Well, we're back to camping. Call it what you want. And so we're really excited, and we'll be there for 2 nights. And
Rex wants the window down.
Rex always wants the window down. But it's a small campground, not a whole lot, and they have a great hiking trail. Actually, they have like 2 hiking trails.
Yeah.
2 hiking trails. I think about 5 miles long. I don't know. We'll show you for sure, but not far from Raleigh, about an hour away or so north of Raleigh, on the way to the Virginia border. And so we'll be spending the weekend there, and we're really excited. So we're looking forward to showing you guys a little bit about Medoc State Park. We're getting much faster at our setup time. Alright guys, so we're pretty much set up as far as the camper is concerned, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys one of the pieces of equipment that I found. It's the Ozark brand, which Walmart sells, and it holds all of our dishes, our pots and pans, and basically all the things that we use every time we go camping. And I'll show you, I'm going to set it up, and it comes with these legs, so it definitely comes up higher, and it also comes with this accordion tabletop, which basically it sits right on the top, so you unfold it, snaps in, so now you have like a hard surface to use for whatever you want. And then I'm not sure if you can see in here, but if you open this up, it comes with 4 bags that just kind of come out, and you put all your, each cubby, you can put whatever you want in it, and then it comes with like a little labeling thing, so you can label what you have in there. I have not done that yet, but I'll show you how this thing comes up. As soon as I attach the legs, it's a little bit more difficult when you have everything in there, but the legs, like, they're pretty sturdy, but I think if we carried it in and out every time with the legs attached, we'd probably break them. So I'm just gonna attach these really quick, and they do come with a snap button, and kind of just snap into place. button thing right here, kind of like an easy up type thing. And so there's that. And oh, so carefully to kind of get all the legs in there. Then it feels a lot more secure. There you have it. So now we have a tabletop, all of our dishes and everything compartmentalized in there. And that just sits inside of the awning. And see if you'll walk that big tree. The other thing I got is, it's called the Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment, and this is pretty much our pantry. So I can, I'll show you. I'm gonna open it up and I'll show you, but this is how we store our food rather than having a big table set up with all of our food out. But it unhinges fairly easy. Then it opens up literally like an accordion again. The legs snap in place. And that easy. And again, you have a hard surface on top, and we can use that for whatever. It even says there's a max heat on here of 224 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's so we can put hot stuff on top, like a pan or something. But what's cool is you open this up, and it comes with these shelves. These shelves are a little tricky sometimes to get in here, but just kind of maneuver them in. I don't always do a great job at it. And then that gives you a shelf. And then you have like a hard surface inside. So it's really cool. And it just sits in the camper, keeps it nice and neat, and all the food inside of there. Again, got it at Walmart. I don't remember how much I got it for, but it was like an online only type purchase. But so I'm just gonna set up the pantry, get all the food in there, and then probably go for a hike. It's still pretty early. It's about 3 o'clock. And then we're gonna have wings for dinner. I'll have to show you those.
I didn't see anything. I just saw the carrot. Looked pretty clear to me. Coconut water.
Get them, Cypress. Alright, so we literally went on a hike. We knew it was about only 2 miles, and there was thunderstorms that were going to roll through, but we're like, we're good. We should be back. It's only 2 miles. We should be back like in an hour. And I would say probably in the last bit of it, last quarter mile, if that, the sky just opened up, made all kinds of sounds, and this. Just started dumping on us. We're soaked. It was quite an adventure though. Rex is soaked. Everybody's soaked.
Why is it so wet right here?
But
That open?
we made it back just right. We're gonna dry off, change, and then we gotta make plans for dinner. But definitely gonna get a drink.